everyone, and welcome to my YouTube channel. It's my very first video on here and I'm super excited to have you join me. Today I'll be showing you how I make one of my favorite lunch options, juicy, succulent and spicy chicken drumsticks and chips. I hope you enjoy watching this. If you do, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel, click on the like button, and most importantly, please drop a comment. Let me know what you liked about the video, and if there are areas you think I can improve on, please feel free to let me know. Thank you so very much.